nhom dân chân mà đồ một bông nhom thay nhom côn tao mày để lột tiền cơ bà con nói đi thằng này cru thà cái yêu khắc lộ một lụ con phật chạ lo rồi pi rồi
trời
cho vậy nhưng mà cru thà đấy một riêng thì bao nông tiệm bậy buồn anh tao hao hốt nữa ngon
ăn tôi người ta pro đồng tiền bay buồn này
còn nào tao lụa đây được tiền nhưng tao tiết cận nó hốt.
Hello everyone! and welcome. Settle in, get comfortable, and let's talk about something we all want. Beautiful, healthy hair. Today, we're going to combine some effective hair care tips with some deeply relaxing scalp tingling therapy. I'll be using close mic triggers to create some wonderful ASMR sounds for you. So I hope you enjoy the tip. First, let's begin with a gentle scalp check. I'm just going to softly part your hair, section by section, looking at the health of your scalp. A healthy scalp is the foundation for healthy hair, so it's important to pay attention to it. I'm just lightly tracing along the partings, feeling for any dryness or buildup. The sounds you're hearing are my fingers gently moving through the hair and tapping lightly on the scalp. Now, for some precise scratching, I'll use my nails, but very gently, to create a light scratching pattern across your scalp. This isn't about being harsh. It's about stimulating blood flow and creating those amazing tingles. Can you hear that? The soft, crisp sound of scratching. This helps to loosen any dead skin cells and can feel incredibly relaxing. I'm moving in small, circular motions, covering the entire scalp from the front to the back and down the sides. Just focus on the sounds and the sensation. A key hair care tip is to avoid washing your hair with water that's too hot. Hot water can strip your hair and scalp of their natural, protective oils, leading to dryness and irritation. Lukewarm water is always best. As I continue to scratch, imagine warm, gentle water rinsing through your hair, cleansing it without being harsh. Another tip is to be gentle when you towel dry. Vigorously rubbing your hair with a towel can cause breakage and frizz. Instead, gently squeeze and pat your hair dry with a soft towel, or even better, an old